remember the other night, about 2 nights ago, the moon was more forward. It was right there where I'm pointing at. It was right there and it was lower. Now it has moved over here and it's higher. Y'all probably can't see this, but you see how the moon gives off its own light? The moon is closer than we think, just like the sun. You see how it illuminates just like a light bulb. And when the clouds get under the moon, you can see the light scattering, like how it does when the lamp covers the light bulb. You know? It's interesting. You probably can't see because the branches, but the moon has its own course. I can't determine the speed. I don't know the speed, but it revolves around the four corners of the earth, just like the Bible says. Gives us a lesser light for the darkness. You know? We don't need to go talk to the scientists to get a full scientific explanation with big words to deter you away from the truth. Just go outside and look. We don't gotta talk to the liars, man. They're all liars. Because if we realize how simple life is and how the earth doesn't move, we'd feel more peculiar than we already do. We'd realize something had to make this and make us. You know? I know we got all the scientists. They're gonna be in the comments like, well, no, I could tell you with the geometry and the circumference. I don't give a fuck, man. Fuck you. Whatever you want to say, man. You see? And there was a professor, some type of scholar. She measured the temperature of the moonlight, and it differentiates from the sunlight. It gives off its own temperature and its own light. And they try to debate and argue saying, no, that's the sun's reflection. That it gets its light from the sun. And the sun reflects its light, hits the moon, and it hits us. No, fuck out of here. It makes no sense. There's no light. There's no sun in sight. Nothing close by. Just the moon. Now, we have a lot of people that believe in God that don't even know this, and they still think that, you know, the sun is 5 quadrillion, billion, zillion miles away and shit. But if you look at the sun and look at the moon closely, especially on the plane, you would see, like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. These lights are attached to the firmament or below the firmament of some sort. They're closer than we think, and some nights I realize when I look at the moon is lower. For some odd reason, the moon gets low, then it gets high. And I don't know why, but it's very amazing. You know, just look outside, man. Talk to God. You see that cloud now? You see that cloud to the left? You see how it shines on that cloud? Yes. Now the cloud is lit. It's like a light bulb. Tell me what you think.